Hey YouTube, this is Lego Crusader 77 with the Lego review for my medieval castle that Mr. Fish Films requested. Alright, let's start off. Outside, you can see there's a bunch of stuff. Over here, there's the treasury with a golden knight guy guarding. Inside, there's armor of an older king, a sword, helmets, armor of a knight, money, an amulet, staffs of kings, Holy Grail, obviously, no duh. See? Holy Grail.
Missing jewels.
Oh yeah, we're gonna use that in the upcoming movie I'm gonna make. I still haven't done the trailer yet, I know, but I'm gonna do it soon. Oh yeah, and there's an orb right here. Shush! I'm not looking at that right now. There's the orb here, and oh yeah, and my sister's doing the review with me. Just, you know, okay. There's a guy walking out here guarding, there's a wall, barricade, guy guarding outside, pikeman, another pikeman with an archer thing, pikeman with a bow and arrow, a dwarf out here, a cannon here, because this is a defense storage with a royal guard. Here's the crusader guy I made that other video about. Here's two hunters going up to, talk to him, say hi. Here's the stable with a horse guy and a person coming to buy a horse. The stableman's house. I'll show you that later. Over here we have three knights on the wall guarding and a cannon which fires. Here I modified the gate so you don't have to put the shield, because I like using all the shields for guys, not for displays. To lower, and I use a little lock link. In here there's a seat and a little weapons holder for a guy. In here there's a stand with weapons for you to buy, guy. Here's a little party place where you can get drinks from in here at this little shop. Here there's a fisherman's market selling fish, a blacksmith making a rune sword, a knight who is telling about all the news and stuff on that stand. Here's the armory with a lot of weapons. Lots of weapons. And a chest of weapons too. Actually, I want to show you the chest of weapons. Let's open it up. See? Has a bunch of daggers, swords. Dump it out. No, it's not. See? Bunch of weapons. Sword, dagger. Stop pointing. Okay. Here's another little shop with a pirate guy at it. A lord.
Oh, that's a bandit.
Oh right, I made him a bandit. Here's a fireplace. Here, oh man. Oh, there we go. Here's the kitchen with fish inside it being cooked. The jail. And here's a storage of all the gold, money, jewels inside the storage orb, and gold bars. And gold bars. See? Gold bars. Spray painted them gold. Here's a gold chest with silver coins inside. Hold on. Silver coins.
Jewelry box?
Oh yeah, the jewelry box. It's supposed to be the dead man's chest. I got it from a Mega Bloks thing, but I used it in this. A golden spear, a cup on the table, the crown, it fell off the table, but it was supposed to be there. And here, there's a chest with jewels inside, and there's two guys guarding this spot at the gate.
Here's
the queen's room.
Bed.
We're making a movie.
Making a movie. I'll be in there soon.
Okay, this is the queen and princess's place. Here's the queen and princess's place where they sleep, and this guy's looking around. And yeah, these guys are guarding it. Here's the king's keep where he is. There's a pikeman guarding outside by the gate to prevent people from coming in.
And the
Hold on, not yet. There's swords here, the crossbow ammunition, the big crossbow that I used the flick fire missiles, some jewels here, and why is this here? It's supposed to be behind here.
That's my bed for the box.
Okay. And here, there's supposed to be the jester. He's the one that turns the thing to activate the bridge. Here's the king's advisor. which is my guy in that other video I showed you.
He used to be the king.
Oh yeah,
a new one.
He's the old king, but we got him in a new one, in the King's Battle Chariot, so we decided to use him because he looked a lot better. Because he has the foot details and all that stuff.
On his
Oh, yeah, and a little feather on his crown. It's not a flame, it's a feather. Because it's blue. The orangish one and that cannon thing is flame. Okay, here's a storage.
I thought there was a secret hideout if there's like under attack.
Nah, I turned it into a storage. See, there's bolt ammo and tips for this crossbow thing. Or they could use it for any other weapon I might make later. Here's an outside stockpile with like a bunch of miscellaneous things like clothes, backpacks.
A wig?
Yeah, a wig. Shields, feathers, nets, chains, grappling hooks.
Feathers? I don't see any feathers.
Or, I meant to say grappling hooks, whatever. There's a green dragon guy guarding it. You know, the one from... He's this guy from the old one, but I colored him and made him look awesome. And he has a funny... Stop. Here is the wagon. The battle wagon.
He's in charge of it over here, this guy.
Oh yeah. The guy guarding, I made him the rider of it. Because he has the like royal design. Oh yeah, what I thought of doing, since the pirate guys, whenever they have the royal guards, they have that blue pauldron thing. I decided to put it on like some of the knights I have to make them royal guards. And all the other guys that don't have the pauldrons are just castle guards. Pretty cool, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So, did I show everything?
I'm not sure.
Yeah, I showed everything. Oh yeah, and I made my own banner for the castle. I just copied it off the shield and just did Sharpies.
Nah.
I know. And that's the castle. Alright, so see you later guys. Hope you like it. Please rate, comment, and subscribe.